The moment your heart stops, your blood pressure drops to 0 in 4 seconds. You do not feel it. Your brain, receiving no oxygen, does not know yet what has happened. It will not know for some time. No alarm sounds inside. No signal of distress reaches you. That is where this story begins. In the first minute, your neurons are still firing. The signals keep traveling. Your brain is processing what your senses last sent it and cannot understand why nothing new is coming. The electrical storm inside your skull continues as if nothing has changed, because from inside the skull, nothing has. Not yet. Somewhere in the second minute, your visual cortex generates its final images. Where these images come from, no one can say with certainty. The optic nerve is no longer sending data. The images are not memory. They are something the visual system produces on its own in the dark as it loses power. Some people who return from this point describe light, a specific quality of light unlike anything in ordinary life. The third minute belongs to the hippocampus. This is where your memories live, and this is where they surface now, not all at once, not your whole life, specific moments, the smell of a particular kitchen, a voice saying your name in a way you had forgotten, the feeling of a hand you have not thought about in years. The hippocampus is not reviewing your life. It is doing something else entirely, something that looks like review from the outside. In the fourth minute, something extraordinary happens. Your pineal gland releases dimethyltryptamine, DMT, the most powerful psychedelic compound ever documented, produced inside your own body in quantities far beyond anything your brain ordinarily manufactures. Nobody knows why. Researchers have found it, measured it, confirmed it. They cannot explain its purpose. What you experience in this state has never been reported by anyone who stayed. What comes back are fragments, always light. Always the sense of a presence, always a threshold. The fifth minute contains the testimonies. Across every culture on Earth, across every recorded century, people who have been brought back from clinical death describe the same geography. A tunnel, a light at its end. A presence, wordless and immense, neither threatening nor welcoming. The specifics vary. The architecture does not. Cardiologists have published these accounts. Neurologists have studied them. No one has explained them. The pattern exists across cultures that have never contacted each other. Across centuries when no communication was possible, the map is consistent. The destination is unknown. In the sixth minute, your neurons begin to go dark, one region at a time. The motor cortex first, then language, then the prefrontal cortex, which handles planning and reason. The last region to lose power is the part of your brain that processes the sense of self, the part that says I, the part that makes you you. It outlasts everything else. It does not want to stop. And then the seventh minute. The EEG shows something that has stunned every researcher who has seen it. In the final 30 seconds, the brain produces a surge of electrical activity more intense than anything ever recorded in a living, waking human being. More complex, more coordinated, more powerful. Scientists published this in 2023. They have no explanation. The brain, in the act of dying, produces the single most extraordinary electrical event of its entire existence. We do not know what those 7 minutes contain. We cannot know. Everyone who could tell us stayed. What we know is only this. The brain does not go quiet at the end. It goes somewhere. Somewhere it has apparently been preparing to go without ever telling you since the moment you first drew breath. And whatever it finds there in those final minutes of impossible light, it finds with everything it has left.